My name is Mark Daly. I'm an immigration lawyer. I'm with Immigration and Naturalization Attorneys. And I've been practicing immigration law for over 10 years, and I've helped thousands of people get green cards. And one of the questions that comes up is, how can I fill out my immigration forms online for free? That is a great question. I love a good value. I love getting stuff for free, right? And it's great because the Immigration Service at their website, uscis.gov, has the forms, all the forms you need for immigration, and you can actually fill them out online and you can print them. A lot of them you can actually save on your hard drive too. So that is how you fill out forms for free. You log on to the USCIS website. There's a little thing there that says Forms. Click on that and it has all the forms listed. Most of the forms have an instruction part and then the actual form. So you're going to want to go to the instructions first and read through the instructions. The instructions has really good information on what the fee is for the form, what kinds of evidence you need to attach with the form, a lot of the law background on the form. They're going to actually have like a code section on there to the like the Code of Federal Regulations or to the Immigration and Nationality Act, and then you can cut and paste that, put it in Google, and then that whole law will pop up if you really want to go in deep on some of the legal aspects of the form. So there's a ton of information on the USCIS website, which is great. When I first started practicing, this is true, we ordered the forms from the Immigration Service. They mailed them to us. We put them into typewriters and we typed them up. Ooh, messed up! I got to use the whiteout. Some of the forms were in quadruplicate and they had different colored carbon copies. So I had a jar of green whiteout, I had pink whiteout, and I had blue whiteout, and I had to go and slop whiteout. Okay, things are better now than they've ever been, right? So I'm so glad that the USCIS is doing this now. But the truth is, okay, here's the hanger. It's so hard. It's so hard to go and actually know which forms you need, to find the information. There's contradictory information on the website. So even though there's a lot of information there and it's good, it's still really, really confusing. Now, there are forms vendors on the websites. You know, they say, well, here's a package of forms, everything you need to do a marriage-based green card for, you know, 80 bucks, 100 bucks or whatever. But when you look on the USCIS website, it says really clearly, do not use these types of people because the forms change. They have just done all these recent revisions of the forms. And I have gone on, because I'm interested, I go on, I bought the package of forms and they were outdated forms and those forms would have been rejected. Also, they did not give complete information. A lot of it was just cut and paste from the USCIS free website, repackaged, total ripoff. So when they're saying, do not buy forms from these kind of vendors, that's exactly what they mean. Now, I have a company, it's called Step-by-Step Immigration Forms. It's at stepbystepimmigrationforms.com, and we do things a little differently. See, we have tutorials on video that guide you through the USCIS website and shows you how to fill out the forms line by line, word by word. And that way you're always going to get the right forms. And we also go through the instructions. We read the instructions with you and explain exactly what's going on with the forms. So for people who need that type of guidance, this is a really great way to do it. We have actually a free tutorial posted. It's for the form I-130. It's the main alien relative petition form. And so you can go and get that one for free and actually get a demonstration of what it looks like and what it feels like to use that service. So that's a free form, the I-130, step by step. It'll give you everything you need to know. The rest of the forms, though, we do charge for, so there would be a charge for that. But in terms of how do you fill out your immigration forms online for free, that's the way to do it. So whatever you choose to do, I wish you the best of luck in getting your green card or whatever immigration benefit you're seeking.